Hello friends, we have prepared a success blueprint for cracking data modeling jobs. Check out. In the past, data modeling job description used to have only developing a conceptual model, logical model, physical model, and a person should they should have database knowledge, and also any data modeling tool like Erwin or Power Designer, any other tool. So this was sufficient previously, but now trend is changed. Let us see what is the trend. Now they want conceptual model, logical model, physical model, any tool. Apart from these things, now they're expecting these skills also. The first one is ETL tools and knowledge of some of the below technologies, cloud technologies. It can be Azure or AWS or GCP. And if you have experience on migrating data from on-premises to cloud environment, big data, any data tools like data analytic tools or visualization tools like Power BI, if you have performance tuning knowledge in any database, and also if you possess any domain knowledge like in telecom, BFSI, healthcare, like that. Now you can ask me a question, do I have a proof? Of course, when I'm coming in front of you, definitely I'll be ready with my proof. I have taken some insights from Naukri.com. You can see this is a job listing in the Naukri.com for data modeler position, conceptual, logical, physical data modeling, and Erwin tool or ER Studio. Anyone is okay. Relational or columnar or NoSQL database modeling experience also they are expecting. Data profiling. Each company listing is different. And now coming to the next one, another company, knowledge in cloud technologies, and also NoSQL database, data tools like reporting, visualization, analytics, and machine learning. Nowadays, to work as a data modeler, apart from your conceptual, logical, physical, you also need some additional skills. That is what I am trying to explain. Another company listing. Here you can see Azure Databricks, Azure Cosmos, Azure Functions, any one cloud. The DB experience like installation, performance tuning, and also sandbox POC, performance tuning, optimization of data query performance, index tuning, and implementation. So many skills, like even they are expecting data loads like SSIS, any ETL knowledge, analytical models, data visualization, cloud. All these skills they are expecting for one role, which is called as data modeler. Coming to another company, here you can see data model for performance. That means a person should have knowledge in performance tuning also. Good experience in ETL, BI projects and supporting ETL data pipelines. And the tool obviously Erwin or Oracle Data Modeler, data quality, data governance, data profiling, cloud experience here Azure, data governance. So these are all additional skills which now companies are looking for to hire a person as a data modeler. Now let's see another company. NoSQL, Mongo, Cassandra, Elasticsearch, AWS cloud technology. Okay, that is whatever I have taken from Naukri. Now I am going to show you some job listings for data modeler in Monster or Founded. Previously it used to be called as Monster. Now it is renamed as Founded. Let's see. AWS with Oracle RDS expert and optimizing and tuning SQLs. AWS skills they are asking, cloud related thing. Oracle Enterprise Manager, Oracle Golden Gate, Exadata, mainframe technologies. So each company's Requirements for a data modeling, let it be job position, name can be anything. Please check job description and try to upgrade your skills, not all the things, whichever is relevant to you and whichever matches more to the job description of the companies. It is not like only data modeling job. They are expecting multiple roles in one position. They are expecting ETL knowledge, they are expecting DBA knowledge, they are expecting reporting knowledge. It may not be possible to have all the skills for one particular person, but at least try to add one or two relevant skills to your existing skills. That I can tell you. You can see whatever listed on this slide. So this is my analysis. If you want to crack any data modeling, the blueprint is this. This is the trend I have noticed. All the best. Thank you.